Here's the proper way to set up one of these Wedge style door alarms. You can use these on the inside of your doors. What they do is when pressure pushes against this pad right here when it's on the floor, it'll set off an audible alarm, pretty loud, and it'll get everyone's attention and wake you up. I've got a link for this alarm in the description below. Now the first thing to note here is the on and off switch on the back, which toggles the device off and on. So I'll go ahead and flip it to the left here to turn it on. And then there's a sensitivity switch here where you got your low sensitivity, medium, and high. And that's how much pressure it takes when the door closes on this thing for it to set off the alarm. So they're pretty sensitive already, so I'm just gonna keep that on low. And then you've got your rubber pad on the bottom here to let it grip onto a floor. So what I'm gonna do is slide this up next to the door where it open up towards the inside and set it up so the door will push against this pad when it opens. All right, now my alarm's down there. I'm gonna try to open it to set off the alarm to show everyone how it works. Now to turn off the alarm, I went down there and grabbed it, and I flipped the switch from on to off to disable the alarm. It's pretty effective for what it does for a pretty simple solution. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.